Hey Pit Masters! Today is the second day of demolition and I want to fill you guys in on what's happening in the barn. Yesterday we tore down this part of the barn. Look at it, it's all gone! We had a big crane coming in and it tore everything apart. It took off the roof, demolished the walls. There's just garbage left. We're taking off all the old parts that we don't need. We had some bad constructions. The roof, it was horrible. It was such a bad construction that it was actually unsafe to be under. So I'm glad I survived all this time. But now we're taking it off so we can rebuild this thing. What you see behind me is what's left of the building that we're going to build out again. This area is going to be a lawn where we can play some soccer while we wait for our brisket to be cooked. On this top level, we're taking off some of the walls, the ones that are really bad constructed. We need to have a solid building because I want it to be here for a long time. This wall still has to go. I want my roof to slope all the way down to the floor. We can have like maybe an office up here, maybe a game room, whatever. Something to chill in between grilling and waiting for our food to be done. Right now, we are taking away the concrete that we have here on the ground floor because we're going to expand this section. There's going to be a whole area where we have a high roof but no ceiling, so we can actually have open fire there. Wow, that's some good demolition work. Wish I had a machine like that. This area behind me here is going to be a terrace out looking over the cornfields where we can barbecue, relax in the summertime, and we put some seats out, just be chilling. After waiting for about a year to get all the permits to do all this work, we finally had it done. Now we're in the demolition phase, and when it's all demolished and cleaned up, we have, well, basically nothing left. Just a little bit of the building left, but I want to keep that authentic barn feeling. So we're going to have a mix of old and new worked into one building. As you can see, there's still a lot of work to be done. It's going to take a while, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. I think maybe we have this finished in May of 2020, I'm not sure. I know that in March we're gonna get the roof construction. It's gonna be finished. They're gonna make a CNC carved out construction, and it's gonna be made in the factory. Beautiful timber, beautiful old Douglas trees, and it's gonna look amazing. But with all this effort, we're gonna create something beautiful and something that hopefully is gonna last us a long time. We're gonna have beautiful barbecue areas and hopefully for you guys to enjoy it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little quick update. If you wanna see more of these videos, let me know down below. Leave us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. See you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.